Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. So I did make a purchase from Bases Loaded Lacquer, so I have a few polishes here to show you. Some of the labels are still the old Brave Steva polish label. She changed the name to Bases Loaded Lacquer. Just some information, and I'm hoping this video is up and with enough time for this a little bit. The holiday ordering cutoff date is December 6th. And the final shipping date of the year is December 8th. The website will be closed for maintenance beginning December 8th and hopefully back up and running the first or second week of January. And there will be a new cream collection to kick off the new year. So right here we have some new toppers right here. This is the Bingo Topper collection, and just in case you didn't know, the Facebook group Bases Loaded Lacquer Bleacher Creatures has a live bingo night in the bleachers, and Tara, the owner, and her mom host that. It's usually once a month. It's super fun. So if you guys haven't joined, you should. Also, if you join the Facebook group, you'll find out about, new polishes. There might be some discounts, all kinds of fun stuff. So I really recommend that Facebook group. And let's see. Oh, and so these will have names, kind of like phrases or whatever, that us bingo people will know. We'll know what those mean. Anyway, I also have one of the baseball, ballpark treats collection over here, cotton candy. And then there was an oops cotton candy, like oops, it didn't turn out to look like that one, which is supposed to. And then I have an oldie but goodie, and that is a beautiful cream. So I'm going to show you those. I also was so impressed by these bingo toppers. I did order one more. So I have that coming, and I loved the baseball treats collection so much that I have another one of those coming too. So I'm super excited about that. So right now let's take a look at these gorgeous polishes. I will be using Maxis Finito Quick Dry Top Coat and the Maxis Strengthening Base Coat. Maxis is my favorite brand for top and base coats. If you'd like to try this out, I do have a discount code for you. Well, my nails are very short because I've been neglecting them. I have not had any nail polish on in like 2 months. I haven't been using my nail strengthener or my nail strengthening base coat. Basically, I kept thinking I was going to polish my nails, so I didn't put the nail strengthener on, and then that just never happened. And I ended up breaking 3 nails on my right hand with the hatch on my vehicle when I was picking up my grocery orders. And then one broke on this hand. I don't even know how. So I just decided, you know what? Let's just start over. Let me tell you, I've been taking care of them because I don't want this to happen. I do love short nails. I do like having my nails somewhat short, but this is quite short. I'll be using base coat under all the swatches today. First, we're going to take a look at the Cotton Candy Oops polish. And this one is described on the website as an ethereal shade of pink, almost lavender, and packed with hollow. And here it is in some different lighting, so you can see all the beautiful hollow in there. Here is the first coat of cotton candy. looks like 2 coats is good opacity, so you should be good with 2 to 3 coats. And here's a quick look at all the holo. Here is 2 coats with top coat. And here it is with the holo sparkling. Now we're taking a look at cotton candy. And this one I think is a berry color with tons of holo. And here you go. So you can see all the beautiful holo in there. Now here is the first coat of cotton candy. Here is the second coat. And this one is good in 2 coats. And here is the holo sparkly picture. Here is 2 coats with the top coat. And here is the holo. And here is the Oops cotton candy next to the original cotton candy. And here is the holo. This is one of the bingo toppers, and this one is called Piz Wins Again. And the bingo toppers are packed with silver holo micro flakies. Then it has unicorn mylar flakies that shift different colors. So the unicorn flakies in this one shift pink, purple, lime green, orange, gold. And I thought I would try and capture some of the silver holo. I'm going to show the toppers over white and black. Oh, trying to get some flakies out. There's a few. I really like this over white too. This is some of those unicorn toppers. They leave kind of like a yellowish tinge, I think, over some kind of weird color over white. But this doesn't. The white just stays white. Here is 1 coat over black and white and top coated. And I wanted to see if we could get the silver holo to sparkle a little bit. The one we're going to take a look at now is called Tiddlywinks. And this one has the silver holo micro flakies, and the unicorn flakes are described as shifting golden yellow, pink, purple, bright green, fuchsia, and cobalt blue. And here is a different light setting, so hopefully you can see the holo silver micro flakies shifting in there. And here is 1 coat over black. and one coat over white. Here is one coat of the topper over black and white with top coat. And here I'm just trying to change the lighting a little bit to see if we can see any hollow. The silver hollow. Here is a comparison next to Tiddlywinks. I think Piz Wins Again has the flakes, the unicorn flakes are bigger than they are in Tiddlywinks. And ooh, there we go. There's some beautiful holographic shift in there. This one is Chicks Dig the Long Ball. And this one is described as a navy cream. This is good in one coat. Here is one coat with top coat. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Tell me, what were your favorites of these polishes? Do you own any of the Bases Loaded Lager polishes? Do you plan on getting any? Are you going to try any of these cool bingo toppers? Anyways, just chat down in the comments below. I love to read comments from you guys. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. So I guess that's all for now. Bye.